Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. You have to start by OpenSHOKZ application. Now, if you add your earbuds to the app, you need to go to the settings at the right top, then user guide, and if your earbuds turn off or do not connect it with the application, you will see this menu. Then you click at the profile icon at the right top and also go to the user guide. Right here we need to select our earbuds, so scroll down and click at the OpenRun Pro 2. And right here we have this user manual. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.